Today, we're looking at the wild future of human aging.
Get this, scientists aren't just treating getting older anymore. They're trying to literally stop aging.
Think immortality is sci-fi? Well, researchers are actually way closer to making this real than you'd guess.
In fact, experts think hitting 120 years old could soon be totally normal.
So, how does this story unfold? Let's check out the wild biological hacking happening right now.
There's basically a 3-step playbook scientists are using to completely rewrite how we age.
Step 1, they're zeroing in on exactly how and why our tiny individual cells break down.
By cracking that code, they're finding real ways to actually slow down our biological clocks.
Next up, step 2. They take those cellular tricks and test them out on complex animals.
And guys, it's working. Some lab experiments didn't just pause aging, they literally made mice younger.
So what's step 3 in our story? Figuring out how to safely bring this tech to us.
Enter metformin. It's a real drug being tested as we speak to see if it extends lifespan.
We're looking at a huge shift, comparing our standard lifespans against the supercharged pharmaceutical future.
Of course, none of this is cheap. There's a massive, aggressive industry driving this forward.
Top biotech labs are already throwing billions, with a B, into the quest to cure aging.
This is not just fringe science anymore. This heavily funded research is going to impact your actual life.
Which leaves us with one massive, final question. If science ends aging, would you want to live forever?